Salisbury Steak Meatballs. Let me show you how to make them the Tasha's way. Delish. I'm going to cut, this is a huge onion, so if you're going to do a smaller onion, that's fine. I'm just cutting it just like that. Going to set it to the side. My gorgeous, gorgeous bow. Get you some hamburger meat. Start off with 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. I'm using an Italian, the plain kind. It'll work just as well. Salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, 1 spoonful of garlic, a little drizzle of the W sauce, one teaspoon of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 large egg. Mash it up really good. If you have OCD like I do, get you ice cream scoop so they will all be even. Roll them. Get you some kind of skillet. Put a little bit of olive oil in it. We're going to put them down into the skillet. You can easily put these in the oven on a baking sheet at 350 for 35 to 40 minutes. But I love doing this recipe like this. When your meatballs are done, you're going to take them out and put them on some paper towels. Once you remove them, get that onion that you cut up, dump it over. Cup of beef broth. Get you 1 pack of brown gravy, McCormick. Then I got a pack of Lipton onion soup mix. I'm not going to use the whole thing. I use about 1/4 of it. That much. Pour. Two tablespoons of ketchup. 1/2 cup of beef broth. Stir. Keep stirring. Couple drizzles of the W sauce. Stir. We're going to make a cornstarch slurry. It's what thickens your broth up, your gravy. So get you 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Do not put this straight into it because you're going to have cornstarch floating around everywhere. Get you some water. Cold water. And then stir. Keep on stirring. Pour. Just that little bit. Yes, that's all you need. And then it thickens up. Get your meatballs. Put them over in there. Finish it off with some fresh parsley.